Hello there, I'm Ben. I'm an animal sciences lecturer at East Coast College. I also teach on our 2-degree programs, which you can find out about on the level 4 and level 5 video, Lucille. This is Riley, my dog. Basically, at level 3, you've moved up a notch from level 2. Level 3 is the equivalent of 3 A levels, and it's much more in depth and it requires a lot more independence from you as a learner. Basically, level 3 is all about asking the question, why? For example, why has this tree got really, really thick bark? This is a giant redwood. It's in my local graveyard. They get much, much bigger in their native Northwest Pacific Coast USA habitat. So when we're thinking about asking questions why, we have to look at the world around us with a much more critical eye. For example, you've probably all seen daisies. Here's some daisies right here. They're on every piece of grassland you can imagine that like sports fields and stuff. But daisies close up at night. Have you ever wondered why? Right here, there's a feather. Again, you see these sorts of things laying around all the time, but have you ever asked yourself why? Just over here, probably all familiar with the stinging nettle. Riley obviously is. We know it's got stinging hairs, but if you look at this plant next to it, this is the white dead nettle. It looks very similar to the stinging nettle. Have you ever asked yourself why? Level 3 has a number of different modules ranging from genetics through to animal care, ethics and welfare, and my particular speciality, conservation, biology and wildlife. So if you have me as a lecturer, which you will do on level 3 amongst the other members of the team, I will be mainly concentrating on things like genetics and wildlife conservation, biology, those sorts of things. So, really nice to meet you. Riley's not too impressed with this video, but we hope to see you in September or whenever this crisis ends. Thanks, bye.